So to get the trolling motor started, you're gonna open up the front compartment here and turn your battery switch to on. Place the cover. Once you have your battery switch on, you'll come forward, and on the left-hand side of the trolling motor, you have your power button. Green light will come on and you'll hear it beep. Do not use the aft outboard engine when you're using the trolling motor. So now we're going to deploy our trolling motor. You'll press down on the pedal, carefully sliding it down. You want to see that collar lock into place. Now you can go ahead and turn your propeller on. You'll hear the click. And now if we want to go to the left, we'll turn it to the left. You'll see the boat start moving that direction. If we want to go to the right, we'll turn to the right. To increase speed, it's the plus button. Going to the left. To decrease speed, press the minus button. And then we have a neat feature here called spot lock. What you'll do is you'll turn your propeller off and you'll press the anchor button. And now it's going to keep us in the same spot. It takes a moment for it to catch up, but this is great if you want to fish a particular spot and hold position. Now we're going to bring up our trolling motor. We were in spot lock, so now we're going to press the anchor button. And we're going to come forward to press our pedal, pulling it up, making sure we hear that click and we see the pedal come up.